In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsync or unlink Gmail accounts. This guide will walk you through the steps necessary to regain control over your Gmail and ensure that your emails only go where you want them to. Let's dive in. First, we'll tackle unsyncing Gmail accounts that are linked via email forwarding. Begin by signing into the source Gmail account. This is the account that is currently forwarding emails to another account. It's important to start here because we'll be making adjustments directly from the account that's sending emails elsewhere. Once you've logged in, look for the gear icon. You'll find it usually in the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select See All Settings. This action will take you to a comprehensive settings page where various aspects of your Gmail account can be managed. In the settings, navigate to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. It's here that you'll find all the settings related to email forwarding. Under the Forwarding section, check to see if any email forwarding is currently active. If you find that it is, click Disable Forwarding. This action immediately stops any emails from being redirected to another account. To make sure the change is saved, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. A quick tip: always remember to save your work frequently to ensure all adjustments take effect as intended. Now, if you've been using Pop IMAP or account importing to manage emails from multiple accounts, there is a slightly different process to follow. You will need to sign into the Gmail account that is the receiving end, the one importing emails from other accounts. Once logged in, once again head to Settings by clicking the gear icon and selecting See All Settings. In this section, switch to the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Scroll down until you see Check Mail from Other Accounts. This is where your Gmail aggregates emails from various linked accounts. For each account listed, notice there's a Delete action next to them. Click Delete by the specific account you wish to unlink. Doing this stops Gmail from fetching emails from that account, effectively unsyncing them. Finally, if you've set up any Gmail delegation access, which allows others to access your account on your behalf, you'll want to manage that as well. In the same Accounts and Import section, scroll down to Grant Access to Your Account. This area displays any delegates with access to your emails. If there is an email address you wish to remove from delegation, locate it in the list and click Delete next to it. This step will revoke any previously granted access, ensuring your account remains solely under your control. By following these instructions, you'll be able to unsync and unlink your Gmail accounts across different methods of connectivity. Always remember to double-check your settings after making any changes to ensure everything is set up just the way you want it. Thanks for watching.